Good morning, children. This is Swati, Faculty of Social Studies in DAV Louis Vika Bharati Vidya Mandir. Let us continue our lesson, second lesson, Natural Realms of the Earth. The next topic is the jigsaw puzzle and the moving plates. While looking at the world map, have you ever noticed that the continents look like piece of puzzle? If they are moved closer together across the Atlantic Ocean, they would fit neatly to form giant landmass. Scientists propose that in the beginning all the continents were held together, but later they broke up and gradually drifted just like pieces of large jigsaw puzzle and came to their present places. The geologists have concluded that all the continents and oceans are actually located on massive surface of rock is called plates. There are 6 major plates and many minor plates on the earth. The 6 major plates are African, North America, South America, Indo-Australia, Antarctic, Eurasian and Pacific plates. The minor plates are Nazca and Arabian plates. These plates floats on mantle. Do you know mantle? Earth movements, that is forces operating inside the earth crust, causes the plates to move away from each other and move towards each other. Plate tectonic is a theory which explains how the pieces of Earth's surface, that is plates, move. This theory states the Earth crust is broken into the several pieces called plates that move over a layer of hot magma, it is molten rock, in the mantle layer of the Earth. The word tectonic is derived from the Greek word tekton, which means builder, which in turn was derived from Sanskrit word takshan, which also means as the plates move and push each other, a lot of pressure is exerted, leading to many changes. Due to the huge pressure, one plate gets pushed under into the mantle, whereas the other plate gets pushed up, causing formation of chain of mountains observed here. These movements also cause volcanic eruption and earthquakes. But do you know why these plates are pushed? What is the reason? Let us know the reason, the momentum of plates in detail by the look into the theory called seafloor spreading. Now let us look at the action which takes place. Geologists found there are mid-ocean ranges or ridges under the ocean like Pacific Ocean. These ocean ridges are a result of lava erupting from the mantle. This eruption on the ocean ridges developed new ocean floor that is made up of basalt rock. Later the ocean floor spread laterally from the ridges. This is the reason the mid-ocean contains the newest crust formed on the planet. The newest crust is that slowly pulled away from the ridges and thus the ocean basin get widened. This result the process of sea floor spreading. Now let us look at the action which takes place the margins of the plates. Just like the formation of sea floor spreading along the mid-ocean ridges, the incoming plates goes under the static plate at the margin of the plates where they meet. Finally, the incoming plate goes into the mantle of the earth and become molten due to the heat. Further, the rest of the plate is also pulled with it. In this process, it also pulls the newly formed sea floor near the ocean ridges. Example, the formation of Himalayan mountain is due to the process of Indian plate pushing into the Eurasian plate.